Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken phone screen. You can see there's a crack in it. Now there's a couple of things that you can do to fix this problem. Well, to start with, you're going to need to get the replacement screen for your phone, whatever model that is. Mine is a Motorola brick touchscreen. Yeah, you want to know what model of phone it is. This is a Motorola. They don't make these anymore. They don't make replacement screens. So, unfortunately, the thing is like, yeah, I won't be able to fix this. So, the solution is that, you know, yeah, I can't fix this. So, yeah.